When a new system comes out promising big money online without selling, the first question everyone asks is, who's behind it? With the no-sale profit system, two names keep coming up, Chris Reeder and Mark Ling. But who really created it and why should you trust them? The no-sale profit system is not your typical affiliate marketing program. You don't need to sell products. You don't need to build complicated funnels. Instead, you earn $40, $90 per qualified phone call you send to businesses in high-demand industries like debt relief, insurance, and mortgages. But here's the real story. Who built this system? Meet B. Chris Reeder, the tech-savvy innovator. He started young, mastering Facebook and YouTube ads, and quickly made headlines after earning over $4,000 in affiliate commissions in just a few days. His course, Profit Singularity, became a hit, teaching students how to use AI and automation to run ads that cut out the guesswork. Chris is known for tech-driven, plug-and-play methods, millions in affiliate commissions, speaking at global marketing events, helping beginners skip the hardest steps in funnel building, efficiency, automation, and results. That's his style. And it's exactly what the no-sale profit system promises. Now let's talk about Mark Ling, the niche marketing veteran. With over 20 years in the digital marketing space, Mark has launched countless successful training programs. His strengths are discovering profitable niches, simplifying complex strategies for beginners, creating step-by-step systems that actually work. While Mark is more known for product launches and niche businesses, he has also dabbled in pay-per-call and CPA marketing. Many believe he's provided behind-the-scenes support for this project. So here's the truth. The no-sale profit system is primarily the creation of Chris Reeder, with Mark Ling playing a supporting role. Chris brings the automation, AI-driven ads, and compliance strategies. Mark brings the niche marketing mindset and educational foundation. Together, they've built a system designed for speed, simplicity, and serious profits per call. If you've been wondering who's behind the no-sale profit system, now you know. Chris Reeder, the innovator, and Mark Ling, the educator, have joined forces to create a fresh, user-friendly affiliate model that cuts out selling altogether. So if you're tired of funnels and chasing sales, this might be the affiliate shortcut you've been waiting for. Want to learn how it works? Hit the link in the description and dive deeper into the no-sale profit system today.